Dear friends, let's explore various wonderful animal families. What is the peafowl family like? Let's check it out. Blue peafowl. Look! Mr. Peacock is fanning his tail for Miss Peahen. Mr. Peacock's tail is not pretty, and Miss Peahen doesn't like it. Let's help Mr. Peacock become pretty. Mr. Peacock's feathers have fallen into the bushes. Let's look for them. Let's put on nice-looking feathers for Mr. Peacock. Great! Mr. Peacock won the heart of Miss Peahen. Wow! Miss Peahen has laid the eggs! Miss Peahen will build a nest for the peafowl eggs. Lots of materials are needed for nest building. Let's check out what Miss Peahen needs. Feather, leaf, soil. Miss Peahen also needs these materials. Leaf, branch, feather. Let's make the nest soft and comfortable. Lay branches in the nest to make it secure. Lay feathers and leaves in the nest to make it softer. Little quiz! In the blue peafowl family, who likes to fan its beautiful tail? Mr. Peacock. Miss Peahen. Awesome! You are right! Mr. Peacock can fan his tail to attract Miss Peahen. In the blue peafowl family, who builds a nest to take care of the eggs? Miss Peahen. Mr. Peacock. Awesome! You are right! In the peafowl family, only Miss Peahen takes care of the eggs. Wow! You've got a nice sticker! Peacock. Dear friends, let's explore various wonderful animal families. What would be different about the Sika deer family? Let's check it out. Sika deer. Mr. Sika deer wants to make friends with Miss Sika deer. Miss Sika deer prefers Mr. Sika deer with big antlers. Mr. Sika deer needs to eat a lot to grow big antlers. Let's help Mr. Sika deer. Let's help Mr. Sika deer get some food. Male Sika deer shed their antlers every year, and the new beautiful antlers will regenerate only after eating enough food. Wow, the antlers of Mr. Sika deer are getting bigger. Keep going. Let's help the antlers grow bigger. Keep going. The antlers of Mr. Sika deer will be bigger. Wow, the antlers of Mr. Sika deer are becoming much bigger. Mr. Sika deer has grown big antlers and become popular. Huh? Where are all the baby Sika deer? It's getting dark. It's very dangerous for baby Sika deer to be in the wild alone. Let's help Miss Sika deer find them. It's dark. Let's find the baby Sika deer. The baby Sika deer got stuck in the bushes. Oh no! The baby Sika deer was tied up by the vines. Let's rescue the baby Sika deer with Miss Sika deer. Let's check it out. Lion. Wow, a pride of lions! Daddy Lion is protecting Mommy Lion and the baby lions. Let's help him. Let's help Daddy Lion drive the terrible hyenas away. Keep the hyenas away from the baby lions. There are more and more hyenas. Wow, Daddy Lion is so powerful. He's driven all the hyenas away. The baby lions seem to be hungry. Mommy Lion takes care of the baby lions in the pride. Look, antelopes! They ran away. Let's look for them. Follow the sign of antelopes and you'll find them. Oh no! The antelopes are getting away! Let's chasing them. We are so close! Keep going, Mommy Lion! Oh no! The antelopes are getting away! Let's chasing them!